Guys, it's Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Today I got a 2021 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. It's going to feature the 3-liter EcoDiesel, and behind that is the 8-speed transmission. So this one's got a bunch of aftermarket goodies, especially for the price that we got it at currently. This one's sitting at $30,000. This one's just over 100,000 miles. It's going to feature a 2-inch lift. It's going to be sitting on some 37-inch Toyo open country tires, which are wrapped around a 17-inch fuel off-road wheel. It looks like we've got some beadlocks. Got your rock rails. Also looks like they upgraded the shocks. Got Bilstein shocks all the way around on all 4 corners. Got the black cloth interior with the red stitching all the way around. Kind of got the little honeycomb design in the seat. Looks really good. I mean, for just over 100,000 miles, I mean, there's not a faded button. I mean, everything looks super good. I would think this thing only has 60,000 miles by the way the interior looks. Super cool Jeep. Got your steel bumper in the rear. Got your EcoDiesel badging on the tailgate. Got a tow package. Comes in handy when you're pulling a boat, pulling a trailer. Looks like I got a little power outlet here on the side of the tailgate. Got a lined bed. This one is also, I don't know if I mentioned before, but this is the Sting Gray Clearcoat. It's a nice neutral color. It looks really good, especially with those bronze wheels. Just want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you like this Jeep, you like the wheels, do you like the tires? What would you change on it? Also, feel free to check out our website. It's going to be crossjeep.com. We got tons of new and used inventory. And feel free to contact me, call or text. My phone number is 502-537-1738. Thank you guys. Y'all have a good day.